Tired of being stuck with ineditable PDFs in Docusign? Let's jump right into how you can modify a PDF document that's already been uploaded into Docusign, saving you time and headaches. First, log into your Docusign account. Once you're in, navigate to the Documents tab. This is where all your uploaded documents are stored. Locate the PDF you want to edit. Click the More option. It's usually represented by 3 dots next to the document. From the drop-down menu, select Correct. This will open the document in editing mode. Now, you'll see the editing tools on the left. You can add text, insert signatures, dates, and other fields as needed. Simply drag and drop the desired fields onto the document where you want them. Click inside the field to type in your text or adjust the settings. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click the Save and Close button. And that's it. Your edited PDF is now saved in Docusign, ready to be sent out or managed. Now you can confidently manage and modify your PDFs directly within Docusign. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Docusign tips.